Hello everyone, welcome back. Last time we talked about IP addressing. Today we are going to tackle something that will make you an IP master. Subnetting. It might sound complicated at first, but trust me, once you get the hands of it, it will be so much easy to manage networks. Let's break it down. So what is subnetting? Comment in the comments below, let me see your answers. To me, subnetting is the process of dividing a large network into smaller, more manageable networks called subnets. Just think of it like you are dividing a city into a neighborhood. Each neighborhood is a subnet, has its own street addresses so people can easily find each other. So, no, when doing subnet, you need to be aware of subnet maps. To understand subnetting, we need to know about subnet map. A subnet map is a 32-bit number that separates the network portion from the host portion of an IP address. It's like filter that tells the router which part of the IP address refer to the network and which part refer to the device. Why subnet? Subnet help improve security and network performance by reducing the congestion. It also makes it easier to manage a large network by splitting it into smaller, more network sections. For example, let's say you have an IP range from 192.168.1.0/24, which represents a whole network. With subnetting, you can split that into smaller sub-network. So every department will be in its own unique network. Each subnet will have its own unique IP addresses, and devices will only talk to devices in the subnet unless routed otherwise. So why subnetting matters? Subnetting is a skill every network admin needs. It makes your network more efficient and manageable, especially as it grows. It helps improve the network security by limiting the number of devices in each subnet. That's it for today's video. So subnetting, I know it sometimes seem tricky at first, but with practice it will become second nature. In the next video, we will dive into routing protocols and how they help data for finding the best path. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See you next time.